So now when we say we don't know how to create HTML file, the next thing we need to do now to understand the HTML itself. Now wetin be HTML? HTML na language wey be say our browser understand. So our aim na to instruct our browser to do something. For example, I will tell our browser say put this picture here, color this item like this. So we need to understand the language wey we fit take instruct our browser, because if we no fit understand that, we no go fit instruct them. So now I get wetin dem dey call basic structure of HTML. That's to say, before you create HTML program, this structure must dey. All these things wey you dey see for our screen so na the basic structure of HTML. E no get how you fit take escape them. So now wetin dem mean? For example, doc type, for example, and HTML, e mean say, or this one dey tell the browser say this file wey be say I send give you so na HTML file. So that's why I say doc type HTML. But before we go check the other ones wetin dem mean, make we talk something. E get wetin we dey call tag. Wetin be tag? Now if you check line 2, we get less than sign and we get HTML before we come get greater than sign. Even the doc type wey we talk about just now for line 1, na the same thing. You see less than sign and at the end greater than sign. Make I show you a clearer picture here like this. See this one? You see the less than sign for the beginning and the greater than sign. So this one HTML call the middle. So you dey call the whole of this one tag or HTML tag. So now since we know say that one na be tag, make we check something. We get HTML tag. If we go down, we get head tag, right? If we come down, we get title tag. Now this one, we no fit say this one na page tag or page title tag, because the greater than sign and the less than sign, they no dey in between, they no surround them. But for the title here, this one na title tag because e dey inside greater than and the less than sign, or e dey inside angle bracket. So the same thing with the other title by the right hand side. So you still get head here. Then you get body tag, you get H1 tag, you get P tag. Then if you take note, e get something wey you say common. If you take note, HTML tag, for example, repeats twice, right? For line 2 and line 10. Then if you come line head also repeats twice for line 3 and line 5. The same thing with body, line 6 and line 9. Then we will look at that one. 7, that's H1, the same thing. Line 7, still that line 7, go to your right hand side, you see H1 repeats twice. But why did they repeat twice? Actually, e get what we dey call start tag and end tag. See this picture. You get start tag or open tag, and you get closing tag or end tag. How would they know the closing tag? The start tag, for example, not get forward slash, but the closing tag get forward slash. If you see our program live, now the same thing. The HTML for line 2, e not get forward slash, but the HTML for line 10 get forward slash. That means now they the tag end. So e start from line 2, e end for line 10. So make I ask you, what about that of head? Now check. So you see say head for line 3 not get forward slash, but for line 5 get forward slash. That means it start from line 3 and it end for line 5. The same thing with body. The one where you say e get forward slash na line 9. The one where not get forward slash where be start tag na line 6. So that means body start from line 6 and end in line 9. You understand? So now this opening and closing tag, just like we see for here, so wetin e mean? E be like container. E mean say, for example, HTML wey be say e start from 2 come end for 10. All these ones, anything where dey in between am, e mean say e dey inside am, because each tag na container. In short, when you see tag wey be say e get start and close tag, that means na container. Wetin we mean by container? Make I show you another picture. You see this? You see this line where we say, or this box. So assume say this one are the container. So HTML, for example, start from here and see am for here again. So this box where we say is around that, this na a container. Then head now another container, but it dey inside HTML. Remember I tell you say anything where dey inside any tag, any closing and starting and closing tag, it means say that thing dey inside the tag, right? So head dey inside HTML tag, body dey inside HTML tag. You see am? Then if you come check, Inside head tag again, another container dey there too, which they call title tag. It still get start and opening, sorry, start and stop or ending tag. The same thing with paragraph. Paragraph gets start and ending tag, right? So all these ones na still container. So the thing be say small container dey inside another container wey big small, and that container wey big small dey inside a bigger container. So na wetin e mean. So the point is that when you see tag, know say e go get start and end tag, but not be all tag dey get start and end tag o. Very few no get end tag, they just get only start tag. You understand that part, right? So hoping say we understand that part, then may we move on. So each of the tag, like the head tag or the HTML tag, now to still tell the program say this one na HTML. Then the head tag, inside the head tag now, wetin we dey put something like title, then we will put something like internal style sheet and other things too. Then we come get the body tag. Our body tag, in between our body tag, everything wey be say you go see for your page, like if you open a website, wetin you dey see for the page of that website, the colorful image, the text and everything you fit think of, na inside our body tag na im dey dey. So they fit dey inside another tag o. Just like for example now, you get H1 hello world, you get P tag where you say you get this is a paragraph. So all these ones dey inside body tag. So to illustrate further, make we run this program again first. We go still come back here. So we go run them and see the result. So here we get hello world, this is a paragraph. So if you check now, this hello world, this is a paragraph, it is inside body tag, it not any other tag. So that's why it appeared there. So anything we want to make it appear for our work or for our browser, it must be the body tag. Then you get to what they call elements. Now, wetin be this element? We'll go back to one picture wey be say I show now just now. Element na combination of tag and content. Like the tag go get opening tag, or it go be opening tag, then you go get content and the closing tag. You know wetin make am be like this? Our tag not be for furniture. They not just dey there say they not dey do anything. The tag is to actually decide what will happen to the content. Now I go talk, now I go tell you wetin go happen to the content. Might show you an example from our code again. Here we get hello world. This one dey inside H1 tag. And the H1 tag, the first one are the start tag, and we get the end tag because we get forward slash here. Now, so this hello world, because they will put am inside H1, that is why it come big where we preview am. Make we see again. See, if we preview am again, you see say the thing big because it is inside H1 tag. So that's to say anywhere you see that H1 tag, no say anything you put in between them, the thing go bold, most especially text. Now I'm going to try something. Besides H1, we get H2, we get H3, and we get H4, I think down to H6. So make we try another one, something like, we'll try H4 and we'll see the difference. So I will just change this place to 4, do the same thing here, right? So make I preview. So you see my text now. If you check now, I get hello world again. But this one, this time, this one's small past the previous one. Why? Because I dey use H4 tag. So what I dey try talk is that tag they decide how our item go appear for the screen, right? Now make I not put anything like tag. I don't want to put this text for tag. I will just type hello world this time. Make we see. So now I not put them for any tag. So it is not in between any tag. It is just on its own. So make we preview again and see the result. So now we will get something like hello world, hello world. Now see this one before, this is a paragraph. So see say the text not be like the previous one. So I think we understand this part about tag. So anything we type in between tag, it will get effect depending on the tag. Like this one now, this line 10, this one a paragraph tag. So if we want to type something like paragraph, if we want to make our text give gap before another text below, so we will use paragraph. So this one a paragraph tag. So hope you understand this part. So the next part we want to talk about now how we fit take apply colors to our items. and also style.